Glam Thrifted Vases. Y'all ready? I am. Okay, I got 2 vases from my local Goodwill. The smaller one was $2.99. The larger one was $1.49. The first thing I did was clean the vases and remove the labels that Goodwill put on with superhuman glue that is very hard to come off. I wish I had some. But anyway, once I finished that, I decided to add a design to my vases. I used construction grade masking tape, and I made sure that my tape laid flat on my vases by pressing it down all the way around the sides. Now, my design was using the masking tape to first put one strip down the vase. Once I did that, I put another strip exactly opposite of that one. After that one was laid, I put one between on each side. So it's 4 strips on each vase. Decided to do an ombre effect using textured and metallic spray paint. I started with a layer of spray paint in the color of French cream, using it as my primer, and also to seal down the edges of the masking tape. The color French cream blends in very well with the texture paint. It has an element of that color. Okay, for the texture paint, it is best to put down a layer of primer first, and then you do short bursts. Short bursts. The texture spray paint takes approximately 4 to 6 hours to dry. Not completely cure, but to dry to handle. So spray it at the end of the day and just leave it overnight. If you use the primer on the bottom, make sure it matches the color. Therefore, you would not be needing a second coat and you won't have to wait so long. Notice that I am only spraying the upper half of the vases because I am going to be doing an ombre. Once I finish spraying the textured paint and get it to look the way I want it, I come back with the metallic paint and spray the bottom of the vases. Once finished, I allowed the vases to dry overnight. I did not remove the tape prior to them drying. I let the tape stay on and allowed them to dry completely overnight. Okay, the next day, I went ahead and removed the masking tape. In all, I probably let this vase dry close to 24 hours. When I'm doing crafts, I always have something else to do. If I'm waiting on paint or something, I don't sit and watch paint dry. Once the masking tape comes off, if you have any areas that you need to tighten up on to straighten up the line, just get a cotton swab with rubbing alcohol on it. We'll be able to clean up the lines. Hi, I'm Steph. I want to personally thank you for watching this video. Please, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload new and exciting videos. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, here's the finished product. Now, I know that the bling would look good with it, but I'm just not a blinger, and every time I try, it doesn't look right. So I just decided to use some regular vase filler and some flowers, and this is my finished product. How do you like it? I think they are gorgeous. Thanks. See you next time. Bye now.